Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. So I'm in SEMRush. I'm in the keyword magic tool, and the keyword example here is concrete contractor. So when I put this in, this is a national database for the United States. You have the volume over here, and it lists down order by most search to the least. What I care though about for my local SEO clients is transactional keywords. So over here in the intent column, you have this little green box that has a T in it. It says transactional. The user wants to complete an action. So obviously, concrete contractors near me, that's somebody who's looking to potentially hire somebody to do a project. Maybe it's driveway, maybe it's patio, maybe it's flooring, whatever it is. They're looking to call, maybe get a quote, and to potentially hire. Then you have also here over here, this is commercial. The user wants to investigate brands or services. That's actually really important because when you're building out your local SEO strategy, you might say, hey, we're ranking better for concrete contractors, but those might not actually drive the phone calls back to your business. It's the transactional keywords that's going to lead to, again, more high quality phone call, website click, and booking. So this is what I do next. Go to the intent section and just check off transactional and hit apply. Now you can see over here, everything has now reordered by transactional keywords only. So again, we have concrete contractors near me, concrete patio contractors near me, residential concrete contractors near me, et cetera. You have an idea of what are the most important keywords to go after. They're going to lead to more high quality website clicks, phone calls, bookings, and potential leads. This is my last recommendation for you guys. Imagine you wanted to build out a strategy around driveway. So click on the driveway keyword over here. Now it's actually going to refresh, but the filter is still there for transactional. So concrete driveway contractors near me. Then you have residential concrete driveway contractors near me. There's all these different phrases though that we can go after. So when I'm building out the local SEO strategy for my clients, I think of it like this. Transactional keywords are most important. Then we got to group them into different buckets like floor, patio, stamp, driveway, repair, residential, small, etc. And then from there, it's building out the landing pages on the website, the services within Google Business Profile, the product listings, descriptions, updates, photos, and even more. But I really wanted to explain how I use SEMRush to find transactional keywords for local SEO accounts that I work on. Maybe this might have sparked some ideas for what you guys can do for your business or for your clients. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.